Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Filmora on iPhone. Filmora is a popular easy to use video editing app for the iPhone that allows you to create professional looking videos quickly. Whether you want to make videos for the social media, YouTube or personal project, Filmora gives you a wide range of tools, transitions, effects and audio options, and here's a comprehensive guide on how to use it. So first you need to install the Filmora on your iPhone. First open to your app store over here, and on the bottom we can find there's a search bar. Tap on the search bar here and type down Filmora and search for it, and over here we can find this Filmora AI video editor. Simply select to this get beside it and make sure to select the official app by the Wondershare, and you need to double click to install it. Simply double click to install it, and over here you need to authenticate with your Face ID, password or your fingerprint as well. And once installed you need to tap on the open beside it, and on the bottom you need to tap on the next. Select get started. So over here, after opening this Filmora, you see there's two options, new project and the templates as well on the bottom over here, and you can create a new project after opening the Filmora. So over here, in order to create a new project, you can also go to the templates on the bottom to get a pre-made designs for the quick videos with ready-made transitions, effects and music, and great if you want a fast result as well. And you can go to this new project in the top, which gives you full control to edit your video from the scratch. And also over here in the top left, we can find this Filmora Go, which is the premium icon. Shows a small crown in the top left here, and sometimes as a diamond or a pro label. This icon appears on the features like effects, filters, stickers, transitions and music that are not included in the free version. And when you see this icon, it means the feature requires payment or a subscription to fully use, and you may still be able to preview or apply it. But when you export your video, watermark may appear of the app will ask you to upgrade to access it without restriction. In order to upgrade to the pro, you can find to this yearly or monthly subscription. You can select as per your preference wise, and you can also select to this pro, premium or more if you want to, so in the top. And after that you can select to this continue here, and you can use your card, and in order to do that you need to double click to subscribe it, and you can also cancel it anytime as well. And over here on the top we can also find to this project. This is the draft icon in the Filmora, which represents your saved but unfinished project. It usually looks like a small file or the document, sometimes a video thumbnail with a draft label or even a folder like a symbol over here. And this icon indicates that your work has been automatically or manually saved inside the app without being exported. And when you tap on this draft, it opens the project so you can continue editing from where you left off, and it helps you manage ongoing edits and ensures you do not lose your progress before finalizing your video. And on the bottom there's a templates icon in the Filmora, which is usually shown as a template icon here or stacked boxes. It represents pre-designed video styles. This icon takes you to ready-made video formats where transitions, effects, text and music are already arranged for you. Templates are useful when you want to create a polished video quickly without editing everything from the scratch, and you simply select a tag template, add your photos, a clip, and Filmora automatically fits them into the design. And some templates are free while others may have the premium crown icon, meaning they require payment to fully use. And for a complete guide, you can tap on the new project on the top, and the app will ask you to select videos or the photos from your camera. You can also select multiple clips or the images, which will automatically appear on the timeline as well, and select import. If you want to go to the cloud or the stock on the top beside the recent, we can find this cloud or the stock. You can also check to your cloud or the stock for the importing videos as well. And after you're done, you can select to this import on the bottom right. And over here we can also navigate the interface. Once your clips are loaded, you will see the main interface, which is divided into a few key areas. Your timeline at the bottom of the screen, this is where all your clips appear in order. You can tap, drag or the trim clips here. You can also preview the window at the top of the screen. This shows a real-time preview of your video. You can play, pause, or scrub through your project using the play button and the sliders as well. And on the toolbar menu below the preview, you'll find this editing options like trimming, audio, texting, stickers, effects, transitions. You can take a moment to explore these menus, and every tool has an icon, so it's helpful for familiarizing yourself before editing deeply. So in order to editing your clips, you can tap on one of the clips that you want to edit and simply tap a clip of the timeline and adjust the start and the end of your clip to remove the unwanted parts. Simply drag the handles inward to shorten or drag the handle outward to make it more bigger. You can also cut a clip into two separate parts. You can simply select to this section of this line and tap on the bottom icon to split it, and that is it. And you can also rearrange the clip. What you can do is simply tap and hold the clip, then drag it along in the timeline to change the order. You can combine video clips, images or the both seamlessly. In order to add a music, you can tap on the audio on the bottom here, and you can select any of the music, sound effect. You can also extract audio if you want to, and if you want to do a voiceover, you can also tap on the voiceover to quickly voiceover on your video as well. And in order to add text and titles, you can tap on the text menu to insert text overlays on the bottom here, and over here you can tap on the text here and you can find this multiple fonts, templates, art, text, animations as well. You can simply enter a text to get onto this timeline as well, and you can double tap the text box to type your words. You can adjust the font, color, size, positions, and animation style. You can drag the text box along the timeline to set where it appears as well. You can make it bigger or smaller simply tapping on the text button here, and subtitles or caption can also be added this way, making your video more professional and accessible. And the next thing is to applying the filters and effects. Filmora also has a wide variety of the filters, overlays, and visual effects. You can tap on the filters on the bottom to apply a color or mood filter across a clip. You can select any of the filters. Over here you can find tons of variety of the filters. You can tap on any of the filters that you want to get into this video as well, and the filter has just been added to your video. And if you want to put down any of the effects, you can tap on the effects here. For the animation, stickers, sparkles, or cinematic effect, you can adjust the intensity to make it subtle or dramatic. And over here on the bottom we can find the sticker icon. This sticker icon is a small graphic or animated image you can play on your video. By tapping over there, you can use to decorate, highlight, or to add humor. Example, you can add any of the elements, trending, pro social media stickers, and it will automatically review under your video. And you can resize, rotate, and set up a duration how long the sticker appears. And over here on the bottom we can also find this PIP, which is picture in picture. PIP format allows you to overlay one video or the image on the another one. You can tap onto this PIP format here, and you can select the clip or the image that you want to overlay. As I'm going to select one of the photo over here, and it will automatically set it on your timeline. You can also adjust the size, position, and duration on the timeline by simply moving it where you want to. You can also add effects or the borders to the PIP overlay to make it stand out. And again, we can find this background as well. This refers to what's behind your main video or the image. It can be a solid color, gradient, blurred video, or the custom image. And once you tap onto this background here, you can choose a desired style and drag into the timeline as a layer behind your main clip as well. And on the bottom right, we can find to this progress icon. This icon is a visual indicator showing how far along a clip, video, or effect is. Common in app during exporting video, applying effects, and downloading assets like music or sticker. It usually appears as a circle bar. And in editing, some apps let you animate a progress icon on screen, often used in tutorial videos, countdowns, or overlays. And once your editing is complete, you can tap on the export in the top right, usually a box with an arrow pointing up. You can tap on the export there by tapping on this arrow icon beside it. Over here you can select the resolution that you want to, 1080p or 2K or 4K is for the premium features. You can also remove the watermark if you prefer so as well, and you can also select to this frame per second as well. And after you're done, you can select to this export your video on the bottom. And by following this step, you can create fully edited videos entirely on your iPhone using Filmora. From trimming clips, adding music, effects, text, and transitions to voiceovers or exporting, Filmora provides all the tools to make your video professional and creative. With practice, you can finish an entire 5 to 10 minute video project effectively, and with advanced features, even cinematic style edits are possible, all on your mobile device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.